Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Binance margins trading step by step. I just tap on my account and officially logged in. I will just move in my trade section, and when I was tab on it, so after inside you will see this is the margin trading platform, and I will just select the amount which I was go for the trade. And when I was tab on this borrow option, and I will just check it, but right now I don't eligible. So your margin account currently has no asset, please make a transfer transaction first. And if I was go for isolated, so isolated margin account currently has no asset, please make a transfer transaction first. So when you done your transaction, so click borrow repay, enter the amount you wish to borrow, note the early interest rate, and click confirm borrow to use the borrowed funds to trade. And go to the exchange page, select the margin tab, and you can start trading to repay your debit, or click the borrow repay button and select the repay tab. So that's it, and hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.